Welcome to Ank's English, your vibrant companion on the thrilling journey to mastering English. Are you ready to unlock the magic of a new language and make it yours? Feeling a bit lost or intimidated by English? Don't let that hold you back. This episode is your perfect starting point, crafted especially for A1 beginners. I'm Anna, your enthusiastic guide, and today we're diving into practical, joyful, and empowering ways to learn English while savoring every moment. Stay with me until the end for a special challenge to spark your progress. Let's jump in and make English yours. Chapter 1, Trust in Your Inner Strength. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine standing at the edge of a sparkling ocean called English Fluency. The waves might look big, but you're holding a sturdy boat, your potential. The first key to conquering English is believing in yourself. You might whisper, "English feels like a giant puzzle," or "I'll never speak like a native." But let me tell you a secret. You're capable of incredible things. Every person who speaks English fluently was once a beginner, just like you, fumbling with words and giggling at mistakes. Why do you want to learn English? Perhaps you dream of chatting with new friends in a bustling cafe, exploring distant lands without a translator, or landing a job that lights up your future. That dream is your compass, guiding you forward. Mistakes? They're not failures. They're your teachers. Picture this. You try to say, "I enjoy walking in the park," but it comes out as, "I enjoy walking in the pork." Laugh it off, learn the right word, and keep going. That tiny slip-up just carved the word park into your memory. Every effort, no matter how small, is a victory. So stand tall, take a deep breath, and know you're ready for this adventure. Chapter 2. Light the path with small steps. Learning English doesn't mean scaling a mountain in a single day. It's about lighting small candles that, together, create a glowing path. Start with something simple, like learning 3 new words each day. Say them aloud, let them roll off your tongue, and weave them into sentences. For example, try moon, laugh, and door. You could say, "The moon glows at night. I laugh with my friends. I open the door to my house." Write these in a colorful notebook and revisit them like treasures you've collected. Listening is another gentle way to begin. Play an English song that makes your heart sing, like a cheerful pop tune, or watch a short cartoon clip. Don't worry if words slip by like clouds. You're training your ears to catch the melody of English. Over time, those blurry sounds will sharpen into clear words. Try making flashcards. Write cat on one side and its meaning in your language on the other. Flip through them while sipping tea or waiting for a friend. These small steps are like planting seeds in a garden. Water them daily and watch your English bloom. Chapter 3. Build your skills day by day. Consistency is your secret weapon. Think of learning English as tending a small plant. Daily care makes it flourish. Spend just 10 or 15 minutes each day. Write a sentence about your morning like, "I drank coffee and read a book." Or watch a short English video and echo a phrase like, "How's your day going?" Say it with flair, as if you're greeting a friend. Talking to yourself in English, like, "I'm cooking rice tonight," trains your brain to think in the language. These daily moments add up, like drops filling a bucket. If you miss a day, don't fret. Just pick up where you left off. Imagine your English skills as a young sapling. Each practice session is sunlight, helping it grow stronger. Over weeks, those short bursts of effort will transform you into a more confident learner. You're not just learning words. You're building a bridge to a new world. Keep watering that sapling, and soon it'll be a mighty tree. Chapter 4. Make learning a joyful adventure. Learning English should feel like a game, not a chore. Turn it into an adventure by weaving it into things you love. Play language games on apps like Quizlet or Link, where earning points feels like winning a prize. Love movies? Watch a favorite comedy or animated film with English subtitles. Hear a character say, "Let's have some fun," and repeat it with their energy. Music fans, sing along to an English song like "Can't Stop the Feeling." Let the rhythm carry the words into your soul. Tie English to your passions. If you adore cooking, find a recipe for a creamy pasta dish in English and follow it step by step. If you're a sports lover, watch a basketball game with English commentary. Phrases like, "What an amazing shot," will stick with you. Join an online English club or chat with learners on social platforms like Discord. Sharing your journey with others is like hiking with friends. Every step feels lighter. When learning is fun, it becomes something you crave, not something you dread. Chapter 5. Speak with boldness. Speaking English can feel like stepping onto a bright stage with a spotlight on you. You might think, what if I mess up? Or what if no one gets what I'm saying? But here's the magic. Every word you speak, even with a stumble, makes you stronger. Start by practicing alone. Say, "I'm going to the store," or try greetings like, "Hi, nice to meet you." When you're ready, chat with a friend, a teacher, or an online language partner. If a word slips away, don't panic. Describe it. Forget blanket? Say, "It's the soft thing you use to stay warm in bed." People will understand and you'll learn. Record yourself saying a sentence, then play it back. Hearing your own voice is like watching your progress unfold. It's empowering. Every phrase you speak is a brushstroke on the canvas of your fluency. So take a deep breath, let your voice ring out, and embrace the spotlight. Chapter 6. Tap into technology's magic. Your phone, tablet, or computer is a treasure trove for learning English. Apps like Babbel or Anki turn vocabulary practice into a fun quest. Watch YouTube channels that teach simple English. Search for beginner English phrases and mimic what you hear. Like, "Son, can I help you?" Join online forums on Reddit or language apps where learners share tips and cheer each other on. Set a daily alarm on your phone. Time for English. Even 5 minutes of practice while waiting for a bus builds a habit. Technology is like a friendly guide, always there to support you. Stuck in line? Review a flashcard app. Relaxing at home? Watch a TED-Ed video in English. These tools make learning flexible and exciting, fitting into your life like pieces of a puzzle. Use them to your advantage and watch your skills soar. Chapter 7. Discover English in your world. English is all around you, even if you're miles from an English-speaking country. Look at signs in your city. Words like stop or welcome are tiny lessons waiting for you. Change your phone's language to English so every swipe teaches you words like notifications or calendar. Write your to-do list in English. Buy eggs. Call mom. Water plants. If you're in an English-speaking place, try small interactions. Say good morning to a neighbor or order a coffee in English. These moments are like collecting stars in a game, each one brightening your skills. Your world is a classroom without walls. Notice English on product packages, like recyclable or Shakewell. Name objects around you. This is my table, that's my lamp. These small acts weave English into your daily life, making it feel as natural as breathing. Every interaction is a chance to grow, so seize it with curiosity. Chapter 8. Embrace the long road. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Some days you'll feel like you're soaring, catching every word in a song. Other days you might trip over a sentence. That's perfectly normal. Progress hides in small moments, like when you understand a phrase without thinking or say a sentence smoothly. Celebrate those wins, no matter how tiny. Learned a new word? Amazing. Ordered food in English? You're a champion. If frustration creeps in, pause and breathe. Watch a funny English clip or hum a favorite tune. Then dive back in with fresh energy. Think of your journey as a winding path through a forest. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes shady, but every step brings you closer to the clearing of fluency. Trust the process and keep walking with patience and pride. Chapter 9, Bring English to Life. Let's make English real with everyday scenarios. Imagine you're at a cozy cafe. Practice saying, "Hello, I'd like a hot chocolate, please." "How much is it?" Or picture asking for directions. "Excuse me, where's the train station?" "Is it far?" Say these phrases aloud, feeling their flow. Role play with a friend or in front of a mirror, imagining you're in a lively market or a quiet bookstore. These moments build confidence, like rehearsals for a grand performance. Let's tie it all together. Trust in your ability to learn. Light your path with small, joyful steps. Practice daily, even for a few minutes. Turn learning into an adventure with games, music, or movies. Speak boldly, embracing every mistake. Use technology and your surroundings as allies. Stay patient and celebrate every milestone. These steps are your roadmap, guiding you to a world where English feels like home. Chapter 10. Expand your horizons with stories. To deepen your learning, dive into short English stories or children's books. They're packed with simple words and fun plots that make learning feel like an adventure. Try reading a page aloud, savoring each word. If you find a new word, like forest, guess its meaning from the story. Maybe it's a place with lots of trees. Then check a dictionary to confirm. This builds your vocabulary and sharpens your understanding. You can also retell stories in your own words. After reading about a character who finds a magic key, say, "The boy found a shiny key in the grass. It opened a secret door." This practice strengthens your speaking and thinking in English. Stories are like windows into the language. Open them wide and let your imagination soar. Chapter 11. Connect with others. Learning English is more fun with others. Find a language partner online through apps like Tandem or HelloTalk. Share simple sentences like, "I like sunny days," or ask, "What's your favorite food?" These exchanges build your confidence and make learning feel like a conversation with a friend. If you're shy, start by texting, then move to voice messages when you're ready. You can also join local or online English study groups. Share your goals, swap tips, and celebrate progress together. It's like joining a team where everyone's cheering for each other. Connecting with others turns your journey into a shared adventure filled with laughter and support. Before we say goodbye, here's your challenge. Choose one idea from today's episode and bring it to life this week. Learn 3 new words, write a short diary entry about your day, or practice a phrase aloud. Make it fun. Maybe sing an English song or follow a recipe in English. Share your progress in the comments below or send me a message. I'm cheering for you and can't wait to hear your story. Thank you for joining me on Anx English. If this episode lit a spark in your learning journey, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell on YouTube to catch every new episode. Share this with a friend who's also learning English, and let's grow together. Your step is not just a step, it's a leap toward a brighter future. Keep shining, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy learning!